Good morning, Melissa and Justin from Lawrence at Lakeshore. Just want to give you a quick overview on your 2018 Gray Wolf and some of the features from the exterior, and then we'll do a walk on the interior here. So coming up to the front, power tongue jack, lights up front, your propane tanks. Coming around to the side, they have put in a new interstate battery for you. Get you all set that way. Coming around here to the right, your hot water tank. You also have your cable hookup right there. Your jacks. Coming around the back side of the slide, you're going to have your black tank flush, your exterior shower, and your freshwater city water connections there. And then there is your black waste holding tank. Your shoreline hookup here. One thing to note on your tires, you're going to see right on the valve stem, it's green. If that turns red, that's an indicator to check out for low air. Coming around to the side here. Right there by the rear driver's side jack is your tube for containing your sewer hose. Coming around to the back and around to the side, your stairs there going into the cargo area. Your awning extended there with your LED lights. This arm right here pulls down for your pitch control if you need to get more water coming off of there in a rainstorm. On the side to the left of the main door, your LED lit outside zone 2 speakers and your adapter for your TV. Your vents, your 110 hookup, as well as your cable and satellite, and a quick connect to your propane if you're doing an outside gas meter or gas propane. And your front storage compartment with a solar charge hookup. You're pre-set for the solar charge. And let's go inside here. Your queen east to west bed and storage. To the LED lights above. We're going to put a new battery in that smoke detector for you. And your storage drawers underneath your booth seating area. Nice little entertainment area. That's where your mounting bracket is for your TV, as well as your hookups. Coming around here to the side. Nice storage. Greystone microwave, hood vent, and suburban stove and oven. Another good spot for storage. Freezer and fridge. Coming down here to your control panel for your breakers, as well as your carbon propane detector right there on the floor. Coming into the bathroom here with your vanity. Your shower unit there. Pretty self-explanatory. And into the toy area back here with your removable table. And another bracket for TV hookup. And then back up front. Guys, congratulations on your toy hauler purchase. And it was wonderful working with you, and I wish you all the best in 2021 with some fantastic family camping up in the UB. Thank you, and congratulations again.